completion and promotion to the next higher level for school year 2024 to 2025.
Kian, tandaan daw. Kian.
On the basis
Ian.
of certification of the school directors that these 26 boys and 16 girls on the kindergarten level, 8 boys and 8 girls, 3 boys and 4 girls from the junior high school level who have fulfilled and completed the requirements of the curriculum prescribed by the Department of Education and by the Metro Jinsan Harvest Christian Academy. It is my honor and joy to accept and confirm
Kian.
their completion and promotion to a higher level for school year
Confirm mo lang.
2024 and 2025. Congratulations!
Nak. Nak.
Thank you, Ms. Cindy and Sir Teo. Congratulations to the candidates. We shall proceed to the distribution of certificates to the candidates who has successfully completed the kindergarten level, followed by the candidates for elementary level and the candidates for junior high school level. May we request our school directress, Ms. Cindy Carmona, to do the honor.
Turang imuhat. Ano ba? Para di manghulog.
Ms. Cindy Carmona will now distribute the certificates to the candidates while the class advisor reads the pupils' names and the students. The batch 2024 kindergarten level completers. Alemania Simon Ethan D.
Nak.
Amamio Zedric Yu. Angel. Benatero Romeo III S. Guillermo Cian Chester R. Pastor Namo
Punta dito sa imo chair. Punta sa imo chair.
Tagaas Joseph. This year, top 10 goes to Argao Ian Angel P. He is also a recipient of Awesome Artist Award and Disciplinado Ako Award. Congratulations!
right hand. Kami sa cellphone.
We, the graduates of Metro Jensen Harvest
Yan na.
Christian Academy,
Jason ka oh.
batch 2024,
Kabila,
to
kabila.
live our pledge, to strive to live up to the standards of excellence of our alma
Na.
mater, to elevate mind and strengthen character, and to be always on the side of the Lord. Freedom and justice for the service of God, country and mankind, to become highly competent and not being under the rule of laws and the regime of makadiyos, makabansa, makatao at makakalikasan. So help us God.
You may now be seated. Again, let's give a round of applause for our Peter pupils. Thank you for such a very meaningful song.
Good job!